Greetings and salutations. As you can see by the date right hither, I'll be turning the big 25. Everyone's always fake happy around their birthday, or maybe they're really happy. I'm usually depressed as hell. And I don't know how to feel about my birthday coming up, but what I do know is I need to pack my bags because I'm going to Cancun and y'all are gonna come with me. So I guess we about to go ahead and just do this, because what else is there to do besides me drive safely?
Entertainment.
Now it's time to show y'all my crib for the weekend. I think this is a nice little setup we got going on, all right? Especially since it's just me. It's obviously more than enough room. I will say one thing about this place. It is very clean. Hold on, let me walk in so y'all could see me for real. It is very clean. Like, when you're in the lobby especially, but not just the lobby, like anywhere in this resort, you are seeing someone clean all the time and you smell it. Not that it's strong, not that it's overpowering, overwhelming. For whatever reason, I really wanted to eat off the floor, I would feel comfortable because like that's how clean it looks and seems and smells. This is the bathroom. This is the closet and the other part of the closet. A very comfortable bed with two little nightstands. One of the favorite pieces in here is the mirror, and I gotta step back so you can see just how tall this mirror is, all right? I took some pictures in it. Most of my pictures were taken out on the balcony. As you can see, the sun is going down. So, I mean, I guess I'll show you what it looks like now. It's very beautiful. I got upgraded to an oceanfront view. It was originally a lagoon view, and I ain't mad at it. So as you can see right off the bat, there are two pools, one here, one there, but there's also a third adult pool right behind us. And I believe that's the lagoon, so had I stuck to my original room, I would be more on that side. But going back into the room, it's a very nice setup. Tomorrow what I'm going to do is, first thing in the morning, like before the sun even rises, I'm taking some more pictures, whether I post them or not. Just for me. One thing I love the most about solo trips, and it's probably the reason why I actually do it, I do what I want when I want. Today, I actually came back from an excursion where they realized it was just me, myself, and I. Aside from the fact that obviously it was just me, I was the only black girl. So I stuck out like a sore thumb, and it was the same yesterday when I went to visit Tulum. It doesn't make me feel uncomfortable. If you use your best judgment, do your research, honestly, I really do think you are fine. This year's been all about solo trips, so I've been to a few places already, but it's definitely something that you should experience at least once in your life. Even if you're someone who doesn't feel comfortable being alone, sorry boo, that's something that we all have to deal with at some point in our lives, right? And I am someone who enjoys my own company oh so very much. If you know, you know. If you don't, now you do. Since I brought up that I went to an excursion today, it was a mixture of, actually, I don't want to ruin it, so I'm gonna go back. It was a mixture of ziplining, ATVing, visiting a cenote, tequila tasting, and some tacos. Felt like I was in heaven, man. Those tacos were legit, but with the tequila tasting, I tasted 3 that I really loved, and I just had to come back with. So don't mind these. These are souvenirs that I'm probably giving this to my brother. His favorite color is green, and I get him shot glasses wherever I go. And I'm gonna give this to my sister-in-law because it's a cute little sombrero. She's probably not gonna drink this, but knowing Gibbs, he's gonna make her. And she has her own personal shot glass as well. But these are the 3 tequilas that I tasted during my excursion. They're all from the same brand, and I'm not gonna try saying it because I know I will butcher it, but y'all could read and try it yourself. This one is a caramel walnut type of liqueur. If you're Haitian and you've had cremas, it is similar in texture, but it tastes it tastes very good. If I knew what crack tasted like, I'd be convinced that they put some in there. Then this one, right, is dark because it is coffee liqueur or coffee tequila, and they're both the same in alcohol percentage. These two are 14%. But I'm not really a coffee person, and this tasted bomb. All 3 of these are very smooth, very, very, very smooth. Even the 3 others that we tried, because we tried in total 6, as well as some margaritas, they were all very smooth. And they go in depth with why that is, and I don't want to go ahead and explain that because that takes away the fun from you trying it yourself. But yes, my brother loves coffee though, so what I think I'm going to do is these 2 will be for him. And then last but not least, this one.
It's a drink that Mayan people use it for ceremonies and rituals. Later we discovered that the Mayan people have a secret, okay? The flower, it's a very high aphrodisiac flower. Oh, wow. And that's why they use it to make ceremonies. The ceremonies they do, it was Mayan orgies, all right? Why?
How we will finish
everybody, listen
Wait,
the name and remember this name. Damiana, okay? Damiana flower.
Is there a upcharge?
It only grows here, and everybody call it the coochie coochie leaf. Double shot, everybody. And tastes like sweet tea, okay? That's the thing.
Oh, crap.
I found that hilarious, and it tasted very good. So I don't think I'm gonna keep this one. I might give it to someone. I know who I would give it to, but it's like, dang, if I'm gonna give it away, maybe I should have bought another one. But at the same time, this one was very good as well. If I had to pick between these 2, I personally like this one better than that one. All 3 of them are good. This one is stronger though. This one is 18%, and again, those 2 are 14. But this skull is just staring at me. Mind your business. Like, go over there, weirdo. But yes, so that's just like a little recap of the few things that I got. I'll include some pictures, of course, from my excursion today, and I'll even include the one from yesterday as well. Close to the time for me to get ready for dinner, I have reservations at an Asian restaurant called Zai. So the way they do reservations is very frustrating because you have to do it one night in advance. So you're basically screwed the first night you get here because obviously you were not there the night before if you're just now arriving. So you're basically stuck with the buffet food. Outside of that, if you want to make reservations, you have to stop by every day for the night coming up. And they give you this slip, you go to your restaurant and you give them this ticket back so that they sit you at your table. But that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready. I don't want this to be a vlog. Vlogs are so long. But I do know at the same time, if I end up making this a vlog, it'll help somebody who's looking to solo travel. So if that's the case, I'm glad I could help. If you just wanted to be nosy and figure out what I do on my solo trips, welcome. I don't really do much other than what I want when I want. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do what I want to do. And I'll be back probably tomorrow.
I'm hopeful, yes I am hopeful for today. Take this music and use it, let it take you away and behold.